Hello everyone. So I joined KRMG in the month of February. So it's been around like 5 to 6 wonderful months which I've spent with the KRMG family. So after passing out from college, I was very much interested into learning share market and all, and I went to different institutes, but that didn't turn out that well. Then luckily I got a chance to join KRMG family. So after joining to KRMG family and after learning the process which you are having, I developed as a trader. Now I understand, okay, what the price is saying me, what is the logic. Okay, so the basic thing is you have to understand the logic of the market. We are totally price based. We don't follow any of the algorithms or any different stuffs. Okay, if the algorithm says buy, we buy. If it says sell, we sell. No, we don't follow that. We strictly follow whatever the price action is, whatever the market is trying to tell us. So it's been like a great understanding till now. I'm developing as a trader, and the community set here, I won't say a community, I'll rather say it's a family. So the family set here is so good. Like we have these groups and all on Telegram. So everyone is very much dedicated, and everyone helps each other. If I post any query, the senior members, Gaurav ji or Bhushan ji, everyone will come help me out. Okay, this was wrong, this was right, this could be done better. So the family is set in such a good environment that it is a very big support system for you. So every time you seek help, there'll be a person helping you out in every case. Every time you need anything, any good knowledge to from it, the people share their own knowledge. They try to give their best to the family. So even after, like, if you see a set of courses that is not restricted to that, Bhushan ji, Gaurav ji and everyone continue shares their new learnings to us, and they try to like develop us as much as they can. And we have regular knowledge sessions happening on every weekend. We have doubt solving sessions, we have live sessions. So there are two things. First thing is what you learn theoretically from the market, from the teachers, that is different. The second, the major thing which you want is the practical implementation of it in the live market. So Bhushan ji and Gaurav ji also provide us the live market experiences. Okay, there'll be a live session happening in the live market, they'll trade, you will be here trading, you can see, okay, this is happening, how the live market works. So you get a better understanding to it, and here you get this big support system, this big live sessions and all. So the environment setup is very good here. And I would genuinely thank Bhushan ji and Gaurav ji for letting me in KRMG family and developing me as a trader. They're always available whenever you need them. Any of your issues, they're there to solve it out. And the community is very open. The family which you have made is very open. We chill around. We talk about the market and everything. Now, as a trader, I can say I understand the market. I can say, okay, what is the market trying to say me? Whatever we follow, we have a process to it. So all the entries, even if we post into the group, that has a specific logic to it. A entry with a logic, that is very much appreciated. But an entry without logic, even you have n amount of profits to it, that is not appreciated in the group. So we stick to that, and we stick to our principles, and that is what makes KRMG different from each and every one. So thank you so much, Bhushan ji and Gaurav ji, for giving me this opportunity.